JK has just released a cover of Justin Bieber's song with Dan and Shay, 10,000 Hours.
Let's go.
Oh, I knew it!
Whoa. Wait, is it an English song? Wait, I wasn't expecting this.
What's your favorite song? Doesn't make you smile. Do you think of me?
His voice just hits different, man.
I actually kind of like his accent more.
Yo.
Everything I wanna know it all. I spent 10,000 hours, 10,000 more. That's what it takes to learn the sweet heart of yours. And I might never get there, but I'm gonna try.
Yes.
But I'm gonna try.
Killing it.
If it's 10,000 hours or the rest of my life, I'm gonna love you.
Dude!
Yo, how many people listen to this and were passing out?
Vocals! Oh wow.
Do you miss the route that you grew up on? Did you get your maiden name from your grandma?
Oh, that was deep!
When you think about you forever now, do you think of me? When you
It's so good.
I love his voice so much.
Tell me what are you dreaming? Everything I wanna know it all. I spent 10,000 hours, 10,000 more.
I already like this song too, and it's just so much better with JK on it.
Bro, if that's what it takes to learn that sweetheart of yours, sweetheart of yours, and I might never.
You've got mine, you've got mine.
Go
on, bro.
But I'm gonna try. If it's 10,000 hours for the rest of my life, I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you.
Such good vibes.
Come on.
Such good vibes.
Yo, we need more JK covers, man. This man kills everything he sings.
Damn, his voice is so healing.
Oh my! Oh, I'm gonna cure my curiosity. Oh yeah, I spent 10,000 hours. Oh yeah, I spent 10,000 hours. Oh, if that's what it takes to learn that sweetheart of yours, and I might never get there, but I might never get there, but I'm gonna try.
Come on.
Voice.
If it's 10,000 hours for the rest of my life, I'm gonna love you.
Oh, he's killing it. We're gonna love you back, Jung Kook.
I'm gonna love you.
Let the voice sing, man.
You see?
Yay! I think that's the best part.
I want more of that, yeah.
They should have done that earlier.
Yeah, I want more of that.
Oh my god, come on.
These vocals. Can we just appreciate the English?
English is beautiful.
What I expected is very true. This song is way better than the original.
Yeah, his voice sounds very beautiful.
He couldn't have picked a better song. This is perfect for his voice, his style. Oh my gosh, no you didn't.
Wow. His voice, his magical voice, it sounds like an angel. His English pronunciation, his words pronunciation is so good.
I love his pronunciation, I love the tone of his voice, I literally love everything about this right now.
Like, Jung Kook is made to cover these English songs. I just noticed that his voice goes perfectly with any song.
We love you back, Jungkook. You have no idea.